Welcome! In front of me is LENOVO ThinkBook 14s, and in this video I will show you how to mute microphone on your laptop. So the first way to do that is to open the Start menu, then go to Settings, then select Bluetooth and Devices, then open Devices tab, go to Sound, then select the active microphone on your device, and then to disable microphone, to mute your microphone, select Don't Allow option, and to enable it, select Allow. And the faster way to do that is using your keyboard shortcuts and function keys. First, make sure that your function keys are enabled. To enable them, if you see the escape button lit up, that means that they are disabled, and to enable them, press F1 button and escape at the same time. And right now you can use F4 key in order to mute and unmute your microphone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.